Easily plucking nose hair in 5 minutes. Results last for up to 4 to 6 weeks. No more expensive salon visits. Easy safety. You can easily remove nose hair at home by a microwave oven heating Wokaar Nose Wax, leaving you with a clean, fresh nose. Let you show the most confident side anytime, anywhere. Work on nose ear. If you have nasty nose ear hair, Wokaar Waxing Kit will take care of you. Removes unwanted nose and ear hair fast. The best feeling is a waxed nose and ears. Last up to 4 to 6 weeks. Nose waxing is preferred. Unlike shaving, the hair stays away much longer. The nose waxing kit removes hair from the follicle, pulls nose hairs from the root, leaving results that can last up to 4 weeks. Nose hair growth is slowed down with regular use. Nose care. Nature ingredient for sensitive skin. Wokaar Nose Wax beans minimizes discomfort and protect you away from any subsequent irritation. You can enjoy safe and painless hair removal using our nose waxing kit. It is safe for use by men and women. As a gift, our Wokaar Nose Wax Kit will be unbeatable. As the giver, you'll be unforgettable. Top reviews from the United States. Hair-free nostrils with ease. A couple of years ago, a friend of mine, a very experienced esthetician, used wax to remove my nose hair. If you have ever pulled just one hair out from a nostril, you can fully appreciate how painful a single hair is. As my friend grabbed the wax stick, I braced myself from the imagined extreme pain I was about to feel. To my surprise, it was nothing.